Hi everyone, this is Design Studio Ideas and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you modern window design. Window design is designed in providing appropriate visual comfort for occupants and sufficient energy saving in electric lighting. In daylight, visual comfort is dependent on the maximum daylight autonomy. Moreover, energy consumption in electric lighting. Aluminium windows are excellent for any space, including a restricted space where you do not want windows project out of the wall. These windows are sleek yet elegant, hence with any home interior. Aluminium windows are completely weather sealed around its frame. This minimizes dust and water intrusion. These windows are available in various sizes and style along with durable handles. These windows have a silent and smooth sliding movement. They are available in wide range of colors from black aluminum windows to timber or any colored windows frame. Aluminum bifold windows is easy to maintain and clean. It also offers you greater access to the outer areas of your house to one side and provides an undisturbed space between its frame. Aluminum tilt turn windows is tiled for opening at an angle from its top portion or swinging wide open just like a door. It enables vertical and horizontal movement, hence it brings in maximum air into a room. It is ideal for small balconies or areas with limited space. Aluminum sliding windows is operated by sliding it from one side to another. It is one of the most common type of aluminum windows available in the market. It is easy to maintain and operate. You can even glaze these windows for improving the insulation and energy efficiency of your home while reducing your energy bills. Aluminium casement windows is perfect for homeowners who live in a house located at specific angles to let the breeze in. This windows brings in maximum breeze into your house due to its accurate angle setup. This window type is hinged at its side and it also crank outwards, so you can easily open it at the right angle for funneling the gentle breeze into your living space. It even provides better security to your property as it comes with look-shaped casement locks. You can open them at an angle to funnel in the gentle breeze into your house. In Roman Imperial time, however, the glazed windows first definitely appeared and fragments of glass in a bronze frame have been found among other sites. It is obvious, moreover, that the great windows in the bath of Rome must have been enclosed in some ways in order to retain the heat. The general hypothesis is that these great clerestory openings were filled originally with frame of bronze which subdivided the whole into small areas, each of which held a pane of glass. In general, however, glazed windows were very exceptional in Roman times. Marble, mica, and shell were most often used to fill windows opening. Windows became more numerous and one often glazed. Domestic windows were most often rectangular and were enclosed with shutters, lattices, or grills during the late Middle Ages in Europe. However, the growing cheapness of glass and development of the fixed glaze sash resulted in a gradual increase in the number of glazed windows in domestic and civil buildings. Because the sashes were small, the desire for light and air was satisfied by the use of millions and horizontal support to subdivide large windows opening. Initially, sashes were set up only in the upper portion of the windows, with the lower portion still closed with shutters. However, solid shutters were being replaced by hinged glazed sashes or casement, which lead to the standard use of rectangular openings in all buildings because of each with which casement could be framed in them. Windows opening conformed to classical portion and were divided by a single mullions and single transom forming a cross. They were frequently decorated with an architrave and cornice and pediment. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.